Welcome to the City Guru. If you're dreaming about your next adventure to Japan, you've just landed in the right place. Today, I'm diving into the most exciting travel updates for 2025, updates that will completely transform your experience in the land of the rising sun. We're talking about new entry systems that let you clear immigration before you even board your flight, groundbreaking changes to tax refund processes that make shopping more flexible, and innovative digital transit solutions that promise to streamline your entire journey. Plus, I'll introduce you to some must-see attractions that are setting the stage for an unforgettable trip. And don't forget to hit the like button, share your questions in the comments, and subscribe to join our growing community of travel enthusiasts. Let's get started. Japan is reinventing the way international travelers enter the country. One of the biggest innovations coming in 2025 is the new pre-clearance system. Imagine completing document verification, fingerprinting, and facial recognition at your departure airport instead of waiting in long, crowded lines upon arrival. This new system, currently being piloted for travelers from Taiwan, will allow you to clear the bulk of the entry procedures before your flight even takes off. Once you land, you'll simply go to the designated kiosk machines, already installed at Narita and Kansai international airports, and finalize your entry in a matter of minutes. This streamlined process is designed to save you valuable time and reduce the stress of international travel. In addition to pre-clearance, Japan is introducing a new Electronic Travel Authorization (ETA) system. Similar to the US ESTA, this system applies to 71 visa-exempt countries, and it requires travelers to submit personal information, travel details, the purpose of the visit, and the duration of their stay well before departure. By shifting much of the administrative work online, Japan is ensuring that the entry process is not only faster but also more secure. This dual approach of pre-clearance and ETA means that by the time you land, most of the paperwork is already handled, leaving you free to start your adventure immediately. So, make sure you check your eligibility and complete your applications early. It could be the key to a hassle-free start to your trip. For those of you who love to shop while traveling, there's an important update that will revolutionize your tax refund experience. Currently, many tax-free stores in Japan offer immediate tax deductions at the point of purchase, which means that your receipts show a discounted price right away. However, starting in November 2026, Japan is set to roll out a new tax refund process that will change the game. Under the new system, you'll pay the full price for your purchases and then claim a refund on the consumption tax at the airport before you depart. This change is designed to combat the domestic resale of tax-free items and ensure that only goods being taken out of Japan qualify for a refund. One major benefit of this update is the removal of previous purchase limits, such as the minimum spend requirement of 5,000 yen and the refund cap of 500,000 yen for consumables, as well as outdated packaging requirements. This means you can shop with more freedom and flexibility without worrying about hitting arbitrary thresholds. If you're planning to do some serious shopping in Japan, make sure you organize your receipts and allocate extra time at the airport to process your refund. I'd love to hear in the comments about the best shopping experiences you've had abroad. Let's get a discussion going on how this new system might enhance your retail adventures in Japan. Navigating Japan's extensive public transportation system is already a breeze, but it's about to get even better. Enter the Welcome SUICA mobile app, a digital revolution in how you travel around Japan. Launching in spring 2025, this app allows you to obtain, preload, and manage your transit card digitally before you even land in Japan. By using the app, you can top up your card via Apple Pay, bypass the queues for physical cards, and enjoy seamless transit across trains, buses, and even at many retail outlets where Japan IC cards are accepted. The app's integration also extends to booking Shinkansen, bullet train, tickets directly, letting you link your ticket to your digital card so you can skip the lines and tap right into your journey. Currently available on Apple devices, an Android version is on its way soon. This digital convenience means you spend less time worrying about small details and more time enjoying your trip. If you're an iPhone user, be sure to download the Welcome SUICA app as soon as it's released. And if you're using Android, check back regularly for updates. Let me know in the comments if you're excited about the prospect of managing your travel entirely from your phone. Japan isn't just focusing on efficiency, it's also ramping up its entertainment and cultural offerings to make your visit truly unforgettable. In Osaka, Universal Studios is unveiling a thrilling new Donkey Kong expansion within Super Nintendo World. This immersive area transports you into a vibrant jungle setting reminiscent of the classic game, complete with the adrenaline-pumping minecart madness roller coaster. Not only does this ride replicate the iconic minecart sequences from the game, but the area also features interactive zones where you can collect exclusive merchandise and even meet characters like Donkey Kong. My advice: arrive early to beat the crowds and maximize your experience. Over in Tokyo, teamLab Planets in Toyosu is expanding its innovative digital art museum like never before. The largest expansion to date now includes the Athletic Forest, a dynamic multi-dimensional space designed to engage you physically and mentally, along with the new Catching and Collecting Extinct Forest. In this area, you can capture digital representations of extinct animals, contributing to an evolving art project that merges technology with nature. There's also Future Learn Park and the Sketch Factory, where you can interact with art in creative ways. These immersive installations are not just visually stunning, they are designed to make you part of the art itself. I'd love to hear your thoughts on which new attraction you're most excited to explore. Drop a comment below. As Japan continues to welcome record numbers of tourists, there are several other updates aimed at managing the growing influx while enhancing your overall experience. For instance, in response to over-tourism challenges, particularly in cities like Kyoto, local governments are rolling out measures such as visitor caps at popular sites and increasing entrance fees at destinations like Mount Fuji to protect local communities. There are also discussions about dual pricing at select landmarks like Himeji Castle, where foreign visitors might see a revised pricing model that helps fund maintenance and preservation. Keep an eye on these developments, as they reflect Japan's commitment to balancing tourism growth with cultural preservation and local quality of life. Another important update is related to Japan's infrastructure improvements. With initiatives like Expo 2025 on the horizon in Osaka, the country is investing heavily in transportation and urban development projects that will make navigating Japan even more efficient and enjoyable. For example, the extension of the Osaka Metro Chuo line to Umeshima Station has already begun to ease travel congestion and will play a crucial role during major events. These infrastructural enhancements are designed to support the anticipated surge in visitors and provide a smoother travel experience across the board. For those of you planning your trip, here are a few insider tips. Book your flights and accommodations as early as possible since demand is expected to soar with these improvements. Also, consider using apps like Visit Japan Web to pre-register your immigration details, as this can further streamline your entry process. And when it comes to attractions, pre-booking tickets for popular sites like teamLab Planets Tokyo or the Universal Studios expansion in Osaka will save you time and help you avoid the rush. That brings us to the end of our comprehensive look at Japan's travel updates for 2025. We've covered everything from the revolutionary pre-clearance system and new electronic travel authorization to the enhanced tax refund process and the game-changing Welcome SUICA mobile app. On top of that, we've explored the exciting new attractions in Osaka and Tokyo that promise to deliver unforgettable adventures. If these updates have sparked your wanderlust and you're eager to experience Japan like never before, be sure to subscribe to the City Guru for more insider travel tips and updates. I encourage you to leave a comment with any questions or thoughts, and let me know which new feature or attraction excites you the most. Whether you're in the planning stages of your next big adventure or simply dreaming about Japan's neon nights, tranquil temples, and world-class attractions, I'm here to help you travel smarter and experience every moment to its fullest. Until next time, safe travels!